Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Leaning on Jesus channel, and today I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how to have a higher booking at Rarejob. So if you want to know these 5 tips, please keep on watching. Number 1, always put your best foot forward. Whether you are teaching a returning student or a new student, always give your best. And always remember that you are doing this as unto the Lord and not unto men. So if you are always aware that God is watching you as you are teaching your student, then you will be pushed to give your best. Tip number 2, be attentive during the lesson. So before you even teach your student, make sure that you have checked the student's profile and you follow the student's request. Also, make sure that you are free from distractions. Log out of your social media accounts. Avoid chatting with other tutors or your friends online while teaching. I know this is a huge temptation for all of us because we feel like, oh, my student cannot understand anyway, so I can do it discreetly. But hey, as I told you in the first tip, God is watching you, so always do your best and always make sure that you give your best service to your student. And saying this, being attentive during the lesson, I mean, make sure that you are looking at your camera while your student is listening to you, so that you can sort of have an eye-to-eye contact during the lesson. So make your student feel that you are giving him your full attention. Number 3, open your slots earlier or ahead of time, but make sure that your electricity supply is also predictable. I cannot afford to do that because the electricity supply where I am right now is very unpredictable. But if you can afford to open your slots ahead of time because your electricity supply is very much predictable and your internet connection is also very predictable, that it is always stable, then go ahead and open your slots ahead of time. Tip number 4, make your lessons fun. Be energetic, be enthusiastic, give generous praises during the lesson, celebrate your students' correct answers, and don't forget to laugh with your students. Crack some jokes here and there, but don't make it too much. Okay, just make your lessons fun. Number 5, open your slots during peak hours and during the weekends. You can always choose which time you are available, but make sure that you open your slots during the peak hours or on the weekends, and you can secure a higher booking of your slots at Rarejob. There you have it. Those are the 5 tips I can share with you on how to secure higher booking at Rarejob. See you on my next video. Bye!